In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we present lecture number 64, which covers verse 141 of Surah Al-Baqarah. This verse addressed the each soul is answerable for its own deeds. Up to this point, we've covered the first 140 verses of Surah Al-Baqarah in concise, meaningful lectures. If you're new to the channel and want to understand the Qur'an deeply, I highly recommend listening to the 15 introductory lectures and all lectures from Surah Al-Fatiha to this point so you can maintain the proper sequence and understanding of the Qur'an. Let us now begin with verse 141.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. تلك أمة قد خلت لها ما كسبت ولكم ما كسبتم ولا تسألون عما كانوا يعملون.
Translation: Now, they were a people who passed away. Theirs is what they earned, and yours is what you earn. You shall not be questioned concerning what they did. This verse teaches the fundamental principle of personal accountability in Islam. Allah reminds us that previous nations have passed away and will be rewarded or punished according to their own deeds, just as we will be judged for ours. No one will benefit merely from lineage, history, or association with righteous people unless they themselves act righteously. This verse rejects blind pride in ancestry and shifts our focus to personal faith, sincere intention, and good actions, emphasizing that on the day of judgment, each individual will stand alone before Allah, responsible only for what they earned. Alhamdulillah, we have completed lecture number 64, covering verses 141 of Surah Al-Baqarah, including its translation and interpretation. Inshallah, in the next lecture, we will begin with verse 142. May Allah grant us the ability to understand the Qur'an and act upon its teachings. Keep seeking and spreading the truth. See you in the next session, inshallah, and Allah Hafiz.